nature-inspired techniques for solving communication problems. Bird flocking. The great book, always open and which we should make an effort to read, is that of nature. The problem is congestion and sensor networks. As a result, important data is lost because the node has little memory, low battery and low capacity calculation. Wireless sensor networks consists of spatially distributed autonomous sensors to monitor physical or environmental conditions, such as temperature, sound, pressure, and to cooperatively pass their data through the network to a main location. They have low computational capability, limited memory space, limited communication bandwidth, and low battery life. For example, we have this forest. Each tree in the forest has a sensor node on it, scanning its environment for fires. This means it is a heat sensor. When a fire starts, the sensor node sends signals to the station informing them about it. But as you can see, when we have multiple fires, and more than one node is sending signals, it is difficult for the central node to process and pass all of the data to the station, making it to fail because of the low battery, low memory, and low computational capability. The solution was inspired by monitoring nature-inspired techniques. Birds attract their distant neighbors by creating flocks. They repel their near neighbors to avoid conflicts between them and attract them towards the poles to reach their destination. Also, there is always randomness. With these three simple rules, the flock moves in an extremely realistic way, creating complex motion and interaction that would be extremely hard to create otherwise. According to the way birds behave to reach their destination, signals transfer from node to avoid the loss of important data, in order to reach their final destination, which is a central server. Similar to the birds reaching their destination, signals reach to the central server. It is possible to do this now by using the characteristic studies from bird flocking. As we can see, if a node fails, packets calculate the fastest way to the central server from the other active and working nodes. Based onto this, the network will adjust automatically to every possible condition occurred.